Okay, next question is from Nickel NM, Nickelnm on Twitter.
Well, Nickel LM, I see that you're asking about putting a date imprint or a date stamp on the photograph, and why don't Sony offer that? Well, I would imagine that most people are delighted that there is no date imprint on the picture. Goodness me, how many times back in the day would you get your pictures back and you'd be like, oh no,
Right.
the date imprint was on. And you can't get it off once it's on there unless you put it into Photoshop. Well, first of all, most of us are happy it's not there. Second of all, if you really want it, you can actually have it. It's actually in the actual sort of memory of the photograph, in the raw image and in the JPEG. When you look at the archetype in, say, iPhoto or your photo browsing software that you may have on your PC, you can actually see when it was taken, the actual shot, the f-stop, the shutter speed, and all the rest of it. And I believe there is something else we can do, isn't there?
Absolutely. So if it's something you really want to do, we do have software called Picture Motion Browser, and I'll do a longer video later about how that works. So hopefully that answers your question. It's possible. If you want to do it, it's possible.
You don't want to do it.
or don't
Believe
do
me,
it.
you don't.